Guys, today I'm back with the body butter. So whoever don't have money to buy those expensive body butters or creams, this is the easiest way you can do it from your house. And today we are going to use shea butter. This one is it, shea butter. Then I have my avocado. I made it last time by myself. Then I'll put some vitamin A here. Then I'll have some essential oil, and this today I'm going to use sweet orange. So let's get started. But please guys, remember to always subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell so that every time I post it can notify you. Thank you. So guys, the butter is ready. It's so smooth. So guys, this is my butter, the one I've just made. So if you don't have money for buying expensive body butter, you can do it yourself. See the skin?